Look at the curls and the moisture. I keep saying this moisture because look at my hair. Hey girlies, welcome back to my archive. As you can see, it's a wash day, but it's also Valentine's Day, and I wanted to try a new little hairstyle. For this style, I'm going to be using the Watch and Sea Beauty's Flourishing collection. I love the colors of these products. It's very like vibrant. The curls are literally dead right now, so I'm gonna try to use this collection to like bring it back to life and make this style pop. Because it is Valentine's Day and me and my man are going out tonight, so I can't be looking crazy. I got this pre and post poo conditioner. I also got this shampoo. It's so cute. Like, look at the glitter. And I also got this deep conditioning flourishing mask. I'm definitely using this today. I got this slick back glaze. I'm really excited to try this out. Like, it is so cute. I also got this leave-in conditioner. Really cute. I love the packaging. And I got this scalp to ends flourishing oil. So I'm just gonna get started because I do have to get ready for my date tonight for Valentine's Day. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to take my hair apart. So my hair is like tangled, like really bad. Usually I do this step in the shower, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I detangle my hair with it. And I'm gonna go in with the shampoo and the mask, and then I'll show you guys how my hair looks after I wash it. Now I'm just gonna detangle my hair with the product so I can get ready to wash my hair and style. This product smells really good. Already I could tell that my hair is really loving this product, because look how easy that detangled. That was too easy. It literally took like 2 minutes. So far, my thoughts on this product is that it smells really good. It's detangling my hair really well. And I feel like that's literally the goal of the product. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me right now. Okay, we're getting the ends done. Boom. The ends are already untangled. Now we move up. Mind you, I'm not cutting any of this out. Look at that. Look how easy that was. I'm not making any cuts. Like, you literally saw it in real time. Okay, so I finished detangling my hair and it literally took me like 5 minutes. Not even kidding. Since I'm not washing my hair on camera, I just want to see the consistency of the shampoo, because literally look at the color. Like, the color is so pretty and I just want to see what it looks like. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that shampoo. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hair with their shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with their flourishing mask. I just wanted to see what the shampoo looked like, and I wanted to show you guys because, girl, that shampoo is like pretty. I've never called a product pretty before, but that's literally my thoughts on the product so far. We'll see when I get in the shower how it actually cleans my scalp and how my scalp feels, and we'll see how conditioned my hair really is from this mask. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys the results of what my hair looks like after I wash and deep condition. Okay, so I washed my hair with the shampoo and I did the deep conditioning mask. My scalp feels really clean. I don't know if it was just because I had all that gel in my scalp and like it's finally gone, or the shampoo was really doing its thing because my scalp feels really like fresh. The shampoo did a really good job of getting all that dirt out of my scalp and the sweat particles. So I definitely like the shampoo. The deep conditioning mask really moisturized my hair. Like, when I rinsed it out, my hair was literally like so like moisturized. You can even see now with no product in my hair. You could see how shiny my hair is without any product. Now I'm going to get into the actual style of the day. So I'm just going to go in and style my hair like I normally would, just without a regular gel. I'm just going to use their leave-in conditioner. The way it smells, it might be my favorite product. Okay, so I'm just going to go in, definitely moisturizing my hair. Look at that. It smells like healthy. Like, I would smell this and want to put it in my hair. You know, some products smell like chemically or like that does not smell very good. No, this actually smells like something I would want to put in my hair. Look at how moisturized my curls look. Literally, my curls are loving this leave-in. Look at how well they're absorbing the product. You can literally see how moisturized my hair looks. And these are honestly pretty good results without using a gel, to be honest. Now that I've kind of showed you guys like the product and how well it's working with my hair, I'm just going to finish doing the same thing to the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to dry it. So I'm going to show you guys the wet results of just the leave-in in my hair, and then I'll show you the dry results when I dry them. I'm done styling my hair, and these are my wet results. Look at the moisture in my hair right now. Like, So far, I've literally liked all the products that I've tried, but I'm still really excited to try this slick back glaze. Now that I'm done styling my curls, I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse them, and then we'll get into our slick back hairstyle. I'm done diffusing my hair, and I did get a little bit of shrinkage, but I'm gonna go in with their oil and just stretch my hair out. Before I do that, can we look at my curls? This is not with any gel. It's literally just a leave-in, and my curls look so good and moisturized. Normally, when I do my hair like this, I would pair it with a gel, but since I'm slicking my hair back, I just did a leave-in. But my curls literally look like really good. I'm gonna go in with their scalp to end flourishing oil, and I'm just gonna stretch my curls out so we can get a little bit of length going on. It's always important to have oil on your hands whenever you're touching your hair, because you don't want to get any unnecessary frizz, and you don't want to cause any breakage in your hair. Yo, this oil literally smells like perfume. It smells so good. It's like a sweet scent, like candy. I don't know how to explain it. I think my hair is ready to be styled, so I'm kind of just going for a half up, half down, and I just want this whole front to be slick back with the curls in the back, just, you know, dancing around, and I'll do my edges. That's gonna be the hairstyle of the night for Valentine's Day. So hopefully the slick back glaze really slicks my hair back, because I really need to look nice. I'm going to separate my hair, so I'm just gonna leave this out. That should be good. And this is the hair that I'm slicking back. Now I'm just going to get to styling, which is the fun part, which I've been waiting literally this whole entire routine to do. So I don't know if I want to leave some curls out in the front. I feel like that'd be kind of cute. Of course it's cute. I think I might leave these curls out in the front, and I'm really excited to see how the slick glaze works. Alright, so I'm just going to clip the front of my curls together, just so that they could stay away from what's going on and all this action. So it says you should apply it to damp hair, so I'm just gonna wet my hair a bit. Okay, now let's open it. Like, it's so pretty. It literally reminds me of like slime when I was a kid. So I'm just gonna grab some. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just do a little bit at a time and see. Oh, that's thick, because I don't want to put too much. Oh yeah, a little goes a long way. I can already feel it like sticking onto my hair. Yeah, that did a lot. And I didn't even brush my hair yet. Yo, okay, let's add in this brush. See what it's really talking about. Oh yeah, look at that. This really, I didn't even add a lot of product. And it's like, you can feel the product in your hair. So I wouldn't recommend too much. And I just took it off the cap. I didn't even like scoop or nothing. It was, you saw how much I used. Let's continue. It's making my head look big. That's how you know the gel is good. So this is what it's looking like so far. I only used a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more just so I can secure the hairstyle. Just gonna go in my brush one more time. This is way better than like regular gel. It's not like a watery base, because the way it's like making my hair slick, I don't know, it gives like glue. Like, it's literally like glue for hair. That's literally the only way I can explain it. I don't know if that's because of the glitter in here, but my hair looks really like shiny and like slick. Finalize it, touch it up. And I don't see any, it didn't leave any bumps in my hair. Usually I would have like a couple bumps around, but like, look at that. No bumps at all. It's literally just straight back. I actually really like this. Now I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair out. And I didn't even do my edges yet, and this already is looking pretty good. I definitely chose the right collection to do this with, because you can see the moisture with the curls and the slickness with the slick back glaze. Like, it's just a perfect combo, literally. I honestly feel like this is gonna last me the whole night. Like, it just feels very secure. Like, look at how it just swoops. Like, I just love it. Honestly, I have nothing but good things to say about these products. Literally all the products that I used today did nothing but good for my hair. Beautiful moisture and a beautiful slick back. That's literally all a curly girl can ask for at the end of the day. Another thing I can say about these products are that they all smelled really good. None of them smelled like chemicals. I say that because a lot of the products that I own, and mind you, I own a lot of curly hair products, if you don't know, if you don't see on my Instagram already, most of them smell like chemicals. It's not like a flattering smell. All these products smell like really good. I don't know if it's the ingredients or like the fragrance in them, but all of them smelled amazing. I would literally recommend all of these products to anyone with curly hair. But if you're like a slick back girly, you do slick backs every day, you like your hair to be nice and slick every style that you do, then get the slick back glaze. Literally, look at my hair. Like, I don't even have to say too much. I'm gonna just let my hair talk for me, because if my hair could talk, she'll tell you run and buy this. This is the collection that I tried today, and it was the Flourishing collection, and now available at Target. And the brand is Watch and Sea Beauty, if you haven't already noticed. It's safe to say that these products did what they needed to do, and I can go out for Valentine's Day looking my best. And I just want to thank Watch and Sea Beauty for sending me these products, because they're absolutely amazing and definitely going to be a staple in my curly hair routines now. Before we end the video, I just want to show you guys a 360 of my hair, because I absolutely love this look. And look at the curls and the moisture. I keep saying this moisture, because look at my hair. And this is the other side. And yeah. With all that being said, if you made it to the end, I really do appreciate you. Make sure you spread love, express gratitude, and I'll see you girlies in the next video.